Good morning. So I wanted to do the next lesson in our color exploration, and this is a basic color wheel, and we're going to talk about complementary colors. Now remember last week we made these 3 blocks, and these were all in a monochromatic colorway, so meaning the same color, just different shades of light and dark, and that gives you a monochromatic color scheme. Okay, so the aqua green is our color that we started with, and remember I said pick your color that you love or that you have a lot of and work with that. Starting with the easiest block that we did, which was this first one, and I'll link these when I post the video. Aqua green, looking at complementary colors, we're going to look directly across on the color wheel from that color, and that gives us red from the aqua green. So using red, we've made the same block and we've incorporated shades of red. This is red and this is a brown, but it's a black added to the red makes the brown color. So that is a complementary block. And you can see the difference between the two. Okay. So I'm going to challenge you to look on your color wheel, and let's say you had a lot of blue. If you look across, orange yellow is the color. So try to look for colors that would be in that color range to add into your block and see what you come up with, okay? And then post them when you make them. This is a very, very easy block to make. You stitch these 2 pieces together, and then you add this long strip here, and then you've got your half square triangles, and you just sew it together like a 4-patch. This one goes together so quickly and so easily. It's suitable for a beginner. There's nothing to match up except the center point, and I give you pointers on how to do that in the video. The next one I'm going to show you is this block, the split 9 patch. And what we did here was we added the red in. So you can see the difference between, we're getting a little bit more excitement going on in the block now because we have a different color scheme going on, okay? So you would have 3 half square triangles in the middle, and then one side is going to be your red colors, the other side is going to be your monochromatic colors, your teals in this aqua green. So if you have blue as your main color, orange would be on the other side, that yellow orange, okay? So you had purple. Yellow would be your contrast. It's whatever the color is that's directly, hope you're not getting a glare off that, directly across from your main color, okay? If you have a magenta, it would be green. And we talked about the red and the aqua green. Orange with turquoise. Orange yellow with the blue. Yellow green would have a purple. And violet would have the yellow, okay? So whatever your color is, just look directly across and pull fabrics in that color range and see what you come up with. Okay, so this is I think, the hardest block to make, and we've added the red in there. And what makes this hard is you have to match up this center plus here. And I give you pointers on how to do that in the video. So watch that if you need some pointers on how to match up. And you can have a lot of fun with this block. When you're making your quilt, you can turn it to get different effects, okay? It's like a butterfly block. Okay, there you go. So that's where we're at today. Go ahead and make your blocks again. Using complementary color, the complement is directly across from whatever your main color is. Just look directly across on your color wheel. And if you're using the one that's in the book, let me grab my book here. If you're using the one that's in the book, it's going to be the same thing. So if you're using yellow, green, red, violet, yellow and violet, yellow, orange, and blue. So you can look just directly across, and that's going to be your complementary color. So you'll pull from that range, excuse me, and that will give you what you're looking for. Okay? I hope that's interesting for you, and let's see what blocks you come up with, okay? Bye-bye.